Ayan, hello everyone. Mag-open ako ng gift from Bahrain. But first, thank you for my outfit. For Ate Malu and Mamu for my sleeping wear. And this one also I will open. This is from Bahrain, Coach Pete. So, open natin. Ang salmon. Pink salmon to. Pinks. So, open natin. Oops. So, yan na siya. Ang laman niya. Salmon, spoke, and fire. Uy, serving smoke. Si chef. Kasi, meron talaga siyang ano, the smokehouse from Washington since 1957. And this is the special, wow, gold salmon. So, luto na ni siya. Luto. It's cooked already, but I want to, so, lulutuin ko siya ulit. And we will have fully cooked and vacuum sealed. Do not use content is an open pouch, is leaking or has been damaged. Thank you, Coach. Thank you for this. Actually, this Coach gave this one to Teddy, but of course to me also.